In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit welcome emails on Substack. Whether you're welcoming new subscribers or those you've imported, crafting a personalized, engaging welcome email is key to setting the right tone for your audience's journey with you. First, let's navigate to the Substack homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page and locate the settings option, which can be found right next to recommendations. Click on that to enter the settings menu. Now that you're in settings, take a gander at the menu on the left and find emails. Give that a click. Upon entering the email section, you'll notice a part dedicated to welcome emails. This is where all the magic happens. Here you have two options: to edit welcome emails for new subscribers and for subscribers that you imported yourself. Let's start with the welcome email for new subscribers. Click on edit next to it. A new page will open, revealing fields where you can customize your email, subject, and body. The key here is to tailor it to reflect your brand's voice and give new subscribers a warm, engaging introduction. Think about the experience you want your subscribers to have right from the start. This is your chance to let them know what exciting content they can expect. After updating the text, you'll see an option called Button Dropdown. This nifty little tool lets you enhance your email by adding buttons. Whether you want subscribers to easily find your latest posts, subscribe, or even share your content, the button drop-down option lets you do just that. Explore how you can creatively use buttons to guide or remind your subscribers. After making all these edits, it's crucial to remember to click Save. This ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that the new email version is the one your readers will receive. We've come full circle now, and you will need to return to the email section. Here, we'll turn our focus to the welcome email for imported subscribers. Click on Edit next to the welcome email to imported subscribers. Much like before, update the email subject and content with your own text. The process mirrors the previous steps, allowing you to customize and personalize even further to create a distinctive welcome message. Again, there's the button drop-down feature at your disposal should you wish to insert functional buttons like subscribe or share. Finally, conclude by clicking Save to secure all your changes. This final step ensures that when you import a new list of contacts, they'll receive your carefully crafted email. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated and edited your Substack welcome emails for both new and imported subscribers. Remember, a well-crafted email not only welcomes your subscribers, but also invites them to become a part of your community.